Alright, so today we're going to bring the cat cage. Everything's included here, including the cat cage, the zip ties, and everything. The tools that you require are all included in there, including the instructions and however you want to design it. All right, so the cage is perfect for your cats. If you have multiple cats, you could have up to 3, I would say, 3 or 4 cats in here. It's perfect. It has perches, if you guys see, 1, 2, and you can move these around anywhere you want. Now, the recommendation, there is some zip ties that we have. I would recommend you zip tie everything. We didn't really use the hammer for this because it was easier. They snapped in there. It was a little difficult when you get to the top of the actual roof. But these panels are adjustable. You could even make it slimmer if you want. If you don't have the space, you could do half of it instead of the whole full and have one area. Depending on your apartment or your house, if you have accommodations for this, the real estate, it doesn't take that much. So design it, build it how you want, easy to play with, easy for your cats to enjoy it. If you guys can see, he doesn't even notice anything around him and he's loving it. So you can put his, underneath his recommendation, cat litter box, but you can put it either or, any direction. It's great protection if you have other dogs that are not well with cats. This is perfect. Also, it keeps them away from the dog. The dog can't put his face in and the cat can't put his too also. So well protected. Look how stable this thing is, that the cat is a spider cat. He's climbing all the way to the top. Very confident. All right, so it does come with additional bridges, and these are actually like steps that you could set up. So it doesn't have to only be for cats. It could be for guinea pigs. It could be for ferrets. Or also you could use it for birds too. So parrots, you could just bridge them. Either you could have bridges if you want, or you could have steps to help the cat or the animal get up there. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.